Hey guys, welcome to another episode about R programming. In today's episode I'm going to teach you how to deal with HTML forms using RVest library. So first of all, what HTML forms are? Well, HTML forms are like structures of data that allows you to enter some kind of input and then to submit that input to a web server in order to be processed. And now we are going to use our RVest library and R script in order to input some data to search query box, and then we are going to submit that value in order to get result from Google. So first thing that we are going to do now is actually to load that library, RVest. Now I'm going to create variable address, and that address is going to actually hold the HTML form like this, and first and only argument that we are going to provide is actually address of Google. Like this. Now we are going to isolate that search query form. To this function we are going to provide this address, and we are going to take first element because this page actually contains only one form and we are going to deal with that form. So this form object is going to hold our search box and entire search form. With this other function we are going to set value. So first argument is going to be actual form, and with optional argument Q we are going to provide search query, and I would like to look for Pixabay website, and we are going to submit that value. Submit, of course provide form as argument, and now I'm going to read result, read HTML, of course from form, and I'm going to turn this form once again into list of HTML elements from that response. And right here I'm going to create one for loop for each for loop, and I'm going to iterate through this list of children. And what I want to do is to print HTML text from every child. And another thing, HTML attribute from this child, and attribute it's going to be href or actual link. I'm going to run this code now. Yes, I see what I missed. From HTML elements, I forgot to supply second argument. The second argument in this function is going to be actual tag. So we are going to look for links. I'm going to run this code once again. And yes, this is what we have. So we have actual text, and then we have a link that is connected to this element. So feel free and invest some time in these techniques, and really soon you are going to become a master of it. So that's all for now. If you like this content, please subscribe and see ya.